Hello everybody. The day has come to launch my Proa and take it for the first trip. As you can see, the boat is easy to load on the roof of a car by yourself and it doesn't require trailer for transportation, and that's exactly what I want. Just about some numbers. It takes about 20 minutes to assemble that Proa from the very beginning to the finish. So 20 minutes is quite good time for me personally. So all that roping, tightening and all that. Previously, in old good time, when a ship was launched, they would smash a bottle of champagne against its side, against the door. But I was afraid that I will break the board instead of bottle. So I did it my way. And again, here you can see one man can easily handle it with no problem. The wind has changed a little bit, so it's not possible to start smoothly along the shore. In addition, I realized that the platform is weak, so you can see the wind pull the shroud and bend the platform. and as a result of the swings, we broke one of the platform beams. Well, negative result is also a result. We need to fix the defects and launch the vessel again. So it's time to make it better. And as a result of that airspace technologies, I hope here we get the strengths as an airplane spar. And this design also needs to be redone and reinforced. And then it started to rain. And so, because of that, I cannot work outside, and that is all for August. So, see you next video then. Bye.